Ramood in your gal wall and bruise up shot. You mount the gal and say you mount a blow cool as fun. You can't mix me with shitty when you tell man fi good up on the knees in the bar.
Reaction.
Boom! What's the word YouTube? What's the word YouTube? It's a boy TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction. Boss! Back in the flip with another video for you guys. People, we heard that song from Demarco, so it's called Full Clip. People, Coyote get a shot right in the center of 5 head. People, pitney. Some people just say, yo, the cover art alone they'll kill Coyote. Some people say, yo, Coyote cover art never go for the last song. That's what my people want to say. You see me, I say, I could see what I'm going right now, no man. But then I met Jamaica and said, no, say, video drop. Hold on. Make it down, no, say video drop. Because down now answer everyone, you know. That means I'm doing video. If him not answer the phone call, if him not answer it, that means, yo, video drop, you know. Song drop, you know. Demarco. Me link you back. Work where you work, I'll check you where you jerk. See the man? Look the man. Link you back. Yes, people! Unity that thing, you see me I say, I could see what I'm going for the video right now. We're supposed to play the game together, we're going to play some Fortnite so we can some stream phone, but that's different. I could see what I'm going right now. Demarco, full clip. Run the blood clot tune, man. Run it!
Who no go call him, no warning, must call him. Tell the batty boy the song him singing, not performing. Back up the place and when they touch man, enough balling. Man, Gary treat you like foot and broke while him.
Alright then, we gonna call him. Yo, fully, what? Man, I can't fully, me blood clot. Coyote, the dog say your song now perform, Coyote.
Girl a rub it tough on him, that gun they top punk him. Boy say them a soldier, then I must fall in. 7 day fiance must say internet not buffering. Oh, you claim alien, but the boy you never go foreign. Agile.
No! Leave him alone, the dog just started booking a foreign. Him just started booking a blood clot foreign right now. Left him alone. Run tune.
Watch your pussy, them a group up fam. Rise up a 3K like the Ku Klux Klan. Him say a trash it need 2 dustpan. Who just land? Cocky we a son up and a
up a tricky like a Ku Klux Klan, KKK. Hold on, you know what? We're gonna break on that song right now. Run it!
alien, but the boy you never go foreign. Agile, watch your pussy, them a group up fam. Rise up a 3K like the Ku Klux Klan. Him sang a trash it need 2 dustpan. Who just land? Cocky we a son up and a girl when we a move up tongue. Ramood in your girl wall and bruise up shot. You mount the girl and say you mount a blow.
Rambo put away
like the Ku Klux Klan. Him sang a trash it need 2 dustpan.
That's him sang a trash it need 2 dustpan. But hold on.
Who just land? Cocky we a son up and a girl when we a move up tongue. Ramood in your girl wall and bruise up shot. You mount the girl and say you mount a blow cool as fun. You can't mix me with shitty when you tell man fi good up on the knees in the bar. Dog who that man?
But the dog say, hold on, the girl say about a blow cool like fun. Bumbo clan.
You can't mix me with shibby when you tell man fi good up on the knees in the bar. Dog who that man? I am here, fucking pioneer. Me trip the riot gear. Pussy couldn't get a stripe even if you buy a beer. Fire clear, slow down on the corner, come and tired here. The batty boy you want to bust.
My dog say he couldn't get a stripe if you buy a red stripe. You couldn't get a stripe. Slow down on the corner because you tell. Hold on.
At the bar, dog who that man? I am here, fucking pioneer. Me trip the riot gear. Pussy couldn't get a stripe even if you buy a beer. Fire clear, slow down on the corner, come and tired here. The batty boy you want to bust, but me them boy you fear. But you want take a thump out, pussy thump out. The bus in your forehead that your blood jump out. My brother don't for this, my pussy must enjoy.
When you see what the cover art go on with now. When you see what go on now, now the cover art now. Run tune!
Don't cut ya, them the man we bust head for free. Grave done dig, fling him now hole already. The city boy ready, put the rifle by your telly. 2 ocean do the stabbing when she blood clot grab him. They know him and need the hospital more than Terry.
Hold on, that's a grave done dig. Hold on, run back, I'm everything.
Grave done dig, fling him now hole already.
Grave done dig, fling me now hole, and I only him second song this. I only him second song say that's a grave done dig, fling him now hole already.
The city boy ready, put the rifle by your telly. 2 ocean do the stabbing when she blood clot grab him. They know him and need the hospital more than Terry. Yo, me tired for beat people picnic. Now a time for me receive my victory.
Yeah.
Boy, I dive when the clip reach.
I got claim victory, but remember Demarco, and the fans of alone can say, are you winning? You see me, I say. So people, me ask the one that's in the comment section right now. Who I win right now? Is it Demarco or Fully Bad? Me ask Uno, the viewers and the subscribers. I say, drop it down below in the comment section. Yarn. Ready?
Kidney, you think I ties fire, no feel of this squeeze. Everything out of the blood clot clip leave. Minds fly out of the nozzle and a kick breeze. For me gun them hungry, make we clot a chunky. For me badness, never take sick leave. Everything out of the blood clot clip leave.
Everything like my dad say, guess what in badness do what? Never ever take sick leave. Me nah lie. People with the war between Demarco and Fully Bad. You know, say every day they do on Instagram and post on 1 and 2 things. When I say I got to go on with that one, that one just kind of go on and them take their time and drop a song. Them realize that they not rush it, and the viewers say, oh, the man them not drop the song. And when them drop fast, and I say the man them drop too fast. Wow, no what? Wow, no what? They dog them for the big man mess. Wow, no one dog them for the real. Make me know. But this was I true. Me so as the mark up is set.
Fly out and nozzle and a kick breeze. Your multi life of it delete. No contender load the beat. A monkey nobody not of your capsize. Tell them say your body mount a attract flies. Oh, you can't mix no Johnny with the gun vines. One fed boy and now your face with clap fire. Hear the talk them about him up a plum jive. Innocent pussy boy you make your tongue die. The boy you put him vice pan man custom jive. I burn them guys. Squeeze every.
It sound like Buju Banton. I feel burn them guys.
Put him vice pan man custom jive. Yeah, I feel burn them guys.
When you hear that, hold on.
Batty boy, I put him vice pan man custom jive. Yeah, I feel burn them guys. Squeeze everything out of the blood clot clip leave. Minds fly out of the nozzle and a kick breeze. For me gun them hungry, make we clot a chunky. For me badness, never take sick leave. Everything out of the blood clot clip leave. Minds fly out of nozzle and a kick breeze. Your multi life of it delete. No contender load the beef.
Right. I'm not lie though. I think the market go too easy on the song. I'm not go as hard as they expect him to go. That's my opinion. Song bad though. I'm not like last two songs no. I don't know. Them not go so hard for me. I'm not gonna lie to you. The last one from Coyote, where I'm dropped recently. I remember the name to Blood Club because the song. What's the song name? I remember the song. I remember the song name. After I'm listening to the song, after the reaction now, I'm gonna go back to listen to them and I'm gonna check it real quick. My mother called my phone. My mother called. Hold on, man. So link it back, man. So link it back. But I'm going to screenshot for the thumbnail because I don't know what chop already. But the song dropped 9 minutes ago. I've been done the reaction already. Hey, before the, you know. Anyways, let me see what I'm going right there. So, the song name from Coyote. The song name Main Danger. So yeah, Main Danger and Full Clip. Man, I don't like them two songs. Yeah. My opinion, the man should go harder for real. You see me? I said, plus the man might take time. It's come with some visuals then for that take a day or more for reply to each other. No, come with some visuals then, man. Because maybe the song would go even harder if we have something to look at. You see me? I said that's how everybody that give Fully Bad in respect. You see me? I said, so if we not space out the war and give some them time for breeze, come look at visuals to them, no, man. You see me? I say because we know something can drop the bomb buckler harder than the next day, the same day even. You see me? So. If you take time now, space out the war and give some visuals in between. You see me? I say, but I drop the video phone right now. You see me? And then me and Jamaica are going to probably go live later upon the gaming channel. You see me? And we'll play some Fortnite and thing. So we can only happy into and play with it all. But up on the play the way argument, you know, we're not going to wait about on the game. So we see you in the next video. Peace.